Welcome to the trails at Marsh Creek, where the beauty of nature meets the convenience of modern living. Nestled among lush greenery and surrounded by open space, our home sites here at Trails at Marsh Creek offer unparalleled privacy and stunning views. And with almost all home sites back into open space, you have that feeling of having several acres of land all to yourself. Explore the community's walking trails and immerse yourself in the tranquility and beauty of the surrounding woods and natural landscape. Located just 2 miles from Marsh Creek State Park and with easy access to major interstates, the Pennsylvania Turnpike, Routes 30, 100, 113, and 202, convenience is at your fingertips. Plus, enjoy access to wonderful Downingtown schools and the renowned Downingtown STEM Academy, which consistently ranks #1 in the state. Discover the perfect balance of tranquility, convenience, and natural beauty at the Trails at Marsh Creek. Choose from our most popular customizable floor plans that you can design to cater to all your needs. Come build your dream home here with us at Keystone Custom Homes and experience for yourself the unparalleled lifestyle this community has to offer.